Hiking tips for beginners. Hiking has a lot of mental and physical health benefits. It's also an enjoyable experience with nature. So we prepared some of these hiking tips for beginners. Choose a trail for beginners. Always remember to pack light. Check the 10 essentials packing list that covers everything that you need, from food and water to navigation tools, first aid kit, and other safety items. Check the weather before you hike and prepare for any weather events such as rain. Prepare for your hike by stretching and exercising. Buy proper hiking gear, especially your footwear. Protect yourself from the sun by hiking in the early morning or late afternoon and apply sunscreen. Always stay on the trail. Have an open mind and talk to rangers and your co-hikers. Remember to leave no trace and dispose your waste properly.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell